Hello guys, in my previous video I discussed some formulas of square and rectangles, how to find out the area and perimeters of square and rectangles. Today I am doing two sums based on those formulas. So there is a school park which is rectangular in shape. Its length is 50 meter and breadth is 30 meter. 2-meter wide path is running. This is a 2-meter wide path running in the center. In the middle, one is parallel to the length, other is parallel to the width. We have to find the area of this path, this total path. So how to find out? We'll see over there, these are two rectangles. One rectangle is this, I have denoted as rectangle EFGH, this one. And other rectangle is MNOP. There are two rectangles. So if we find out the area of these rectangles, then we can find out the area of the path. So according to the formula, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. In first case, this length is 50 meters and the breadth is here 2 meter. So 50 meter is the length, 2 meter is the width. So we'll multiply, it's 100 square meter is the area of this rectangle. Another, the MNOP, the area of MNOP rectangle is, you can see this is the length is up to this place is 30 meters and width is 2 meters. So that is 30 meters multiplied by 2 meters is equal to 60 square meter. So total area of these two rectangles is, if we add, that is 100 plus 60 is equal to 160 square meters. But now in this question we will see this portion comes twice. While calculating the area of this rectangle, this portion comes once, and while calculating this area, this again comes. So we have to subtract area of this portion once. So it is 2 meter by 2 meter. So that's the area of this portion is, 4 square meter. So this area we have to subtract from the total area. So net area of path is 160 minus 4 is equal to 150 square meter. So this is the area of the path. In the second part, we will take the second part now. Second part, what does it negate? It is the same rectangular park ABCD. 50 meter is the length of the park and 30 meter is the width of the park or breadth of the park. There is a 2 meter wide path inside the park, all around it. Inside the park, all around it, there is a 2 meter width path is there. We have to find out the area of this path. So how can we solve it? We can see from here, if there are two rectangles now, one is ABCD, another rectangle is MNOP. If we subtract the area of rectangle MNOP from the ABCD, then we can get this area of the path. So area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle MNOP is equal to area of path. So we will calculate the area. Now area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth, where length is 50 meter and breadth is 30 meter. So that is 1500 square meter. Now the inner rectangular is MNOP. So the length, this length MN and this length we have to find out. This is 2 meter, this is 2 meter, total is 50 meters. So we have to minus 2 meter and 2 meter this side, so rest we are left with 46 meter. Similarly here also it's 2 meter from this side, 2 meter from this side, total is 30 meters, so 30 minus 4 is 26 meter. So we can find the area of rectangle MNOP, that is equal to length into breadth, where the length is 46 meter and breadth is 26 meter. If we multiply this, it comes to 1196 square meter. So area of the path is equal to 1500 minus 1196, 304 square meters. So this is the area of the path. There is another way also we can find out the area of this path. I'll tell you the other way also. Suppose we'll find out the area of this rectangle D dash C dash, that is area of rectangle D dash C dash C, this, and we'll find out the area of this rectangle and this rectangle, and we add that area, then we'll find out, we can come to know the area of the total path. So we know that this is the length is 50 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter. So area is equal to 50 multiplied by 2 is equal to 100 square meter. And we know that this is one rectangle, another rectangle is this one. So there are two rectangles. So we have to multiply by 2, then we can get the area of these two rectangles, opposite rectangles. So that is 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200 square meters. That is one. Now we are left with this areas and this area. We have to find out the area of this one. Now we can see from this to this place it is 26 meter. 30 minus 2 minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28, minus 2 is 26, so this is 26 meters and width is 2 meters. So we can find out the area of this rectangle. So we'll denote it like that. This is M dash. Area of rectangle D dash M dash, this one, is equal to 26 is the length and width is 2, that is 52 square meter. And we know there are two rectangles of the same dimensions, so we have to multiply this. So total area is equal to 52 multiplied by 2 is 104 square meter. This is second equation. So the total area of now the path is equal to the area of this rectangle and this rectangle plus area of this rectangle and this rectangle. So that is, we have already calculated, that is 200 square meter plus 104 square meter is equal to 304 square meters. So like that, in this way we can find out the area of rectangles and the path, and like that you can solve other questions also. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you can see more videos.